What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video, and today I'm going to tell you guys about the best shears for barbers. Alright, so if you guys have been following me for a while, you already know about these shears. I did a video a long time ago, but some stuff has changed and I wanted to bring it to you guys' attention again. I got a lot of new subscribers. You guys need to know about these shears. So guys, of course, I'm talking about Fresh Shears. These are the shears I use in every video that you guys see. I hooked up with them a long time ago. I became good friends with the owner, and I'm stoked to announce that I am now an ambassador for them, hopefully to do some more work in the future. But guys, the quick rundown, Fresh Shears are 440C Japanese steel, which is the best steel. A lot of shear companies claim that their shears are 440C Japanese steel and are assembled in Japan, but most of them honestly are made in China, and Fresh Shears are no different. They are made in China. They don't hide the fact, guys. It is the high quality steel, but they're assembled in China, and it's gonna make it more affordable for you guys. Honestly, guys, the best part about this shear company is that they are affordable and still great quality shears. Most of the shears on the website are gonna be $99.95, and some of the other pairs, the bigger ones, or the swivels, or maybe the left-handeds, are $104.95. So across the board, we're talking about $100. And then on top of that, guys, at any point throughout the time you own the shears, you can pay $50 to receive a brand new pair. When you get the shears in, they'll come in a box like this. You guys will take your new pair out, put them on your station wherever you put your shears, throw the old pair in the box. It will come with a prepaid label for you guys to slip this box back into, and you'll ship them back to Fresh Shears. Now, if that doesn't sound awesome enough to you guys, let me break it down to you. And no offense to Hanzo, they're one of the biggest shear companies in the game, but I'm just gonna give you an example. I had a pair of Hanzo shears that were the most recommended shears from them. I think they were 6-inch shears, and they cost me $1,200. So on top of the $1,200 I paid once a year to sharpen them, let's say, I ended up in for about 3-4 years spending about $1,500. Now with the Fresh Shears, guys, you're gonna pay $100 up front. You're gonna get your brand new shear in, use it until it's not sharp anymore. Of course, guys, you can sharpen these shears, but let's say every 6 months I decide I wanna get a new pair. So I'm gonna pay $50 every 6 months. And if you guys do the math, we're gonna get like 10 years of brand new shears every 6 months before we ever come close to spending $1,200. And guys, it's across the board. So any shear you own at any point, you can go on the website, trade it in for a new one. You can even swap styles, handles, lengths. Say you want to try a swivel out, you can get a swivel. You guys have flexibility to change out whatever you want. Obviously, if it's the $5 more expensive pair, you will pay that difference, but you guys can keep those shears sharp all the time. I've had them for about 2 years now, guys. I'm on my second exchange. So basically 9 or so months went by. I got on the website, ordered another pair. They came in, put the old ones in the box and sent them back. And guys, I've been happy with them. A lot of people ask me, do I just rock with them because I did that video, or do I really actually use these on the daily? Guys, I have 5 sets on my station now. I use these all day, every haircut. And honestly, half of my shop is using them now as well. So to update you guys on what I'm using today, I did just get these, guys. These are a 5.5 inch. So there are 2 different styles, guys. These are the standard handles. So it's gonna have your 2 dips here for your 2 fingers. Obviously the ring finger hole and the tang and your thumb grip. But the flip handle, guys, is gonna be flush right here. The 2 holes are gonna be even with each other, and you can flip it either way and use it. Now I prefer this standard handle. I have all of my shears with the standard handle. I have tried the flip. For me, I don't care for it, but some of the shears come with the flip handle if that's something you guys wanna do. And they also have swivel, guys. So that means that the thumb grip spins is gonna allow you to turn and hold the shears in a different way for different cutting techniques. For me, I don't personally feel like I need that. These are Cuts by Coast. I think these are 5.5 inch swivels, and I'm not really sure what he uses them for, but for stylists, I know a lot of people like swivel shears, so they do have swivels as well. So that was my 5.5 inch, guys. This is my 6 inch. This is what I started out with. I did go to the 5.5 for a little bit more control, but guys, this is a 6 inch standard handle, basically the same shear as the 5.5, but a 1/2 inch bigger. Next up, guys, this is your standard 42 thinning shear. You guys can see we got 40 teeth. It does have the grooves on the top of the teeth that the hair will sit in. The rest of the hair will fall down in here. And of course, guys, you take a lick and it's gonna cut off whatever is kept in those grooves. So guys, these are standard. These are like most thinning shears you guys are gonna grab elsewhere, but like I said, guys, for $100, these are super quality. One thing I noticed about my old shears is they actually did get rust on them, and I've had these for over a year, no rust anywhere. They still work perfectly fine. And I did mention before, guys, but all the shears have a hand tensioning screw here, so you guys can tighten them up and make sure that they're set how you like them. All right, guys, another shear I just picked up. This is the 21 tooth slice. This is an interesting shear, guys. The bottom blade is actually blunt, so it's not sharp. You see I'm sliding my finger on it. It's not gonna cut me. These are the cutting teeth. So this is gonna be a bigger, kind of a chunker texture shear. And guys, I use this when the hair's short enough that I can't really point cut. I'll just comb it up and I'll just hit the tips with this to add some texture or thin out the ends of the hair. So I'm liking this so far, guys. The blunt blade makes it cut super cool. I mean, you can stick it in the hair, yank it out, it won't pull, and these cut super well. And last but not least, guys, these are my 7-inch big choppas. I use these for shear over comb. You've seen it in some of my other videos. This blade is gonna cover the length of my comb and allow me to do the side of the head basically in 2 swipes. So when you guys use smaller shears, if you wanna do detail, no problem, get in there and detail with them. But for these big ones, I can really clear bulk all the way up the side of the head and just make things a little bit easier. So I know a lot of the time you guys are looking for quality shears. A lot of you that watch YouTube are beginners and don't have $1,200 to shell out on some Hanzos. So Fresh Shears, that's honestly the best part about it. They're affordable. I have a full setup that would cost $500. You don't even need all those shears. I do like to have plenty of options and use them for different things. But if you guys just needed one shear and one thinning shear, you're talking about 200 bucks. Say you don't cut a ton of hair, once a year you can pay 50, get a brand new set for life. You guys will be able to keep fresh, brand new sharp shears. And that's honestly the best part about it. I've never seen anything like it. I love the program. I've recommended it to all of my barbers, and now I'm bringing it to you guys. So anyway, guys, if you're interested, click the link down below. That is my link. If not, go to the website and use the code Seancutshair. Either way works. And another thing, guys, when you buy 1 pair with my code, you will save 5%. If you buy 2 pairs, you'll save 10%. If you buy 3, you get 12% off. So you guys are gonna basically save free shipping and a little bit more on top of that. And you're already getting a deal. Like I said, guys, 100 bucks for a quality set of shears is a great price, and not to mention you can swap those out at any time. So if you guys think you're gonna cop some Fresh Shears, leave a comment down below and let me know what sizes you guys like or what you use on a daily basis. If you guys like the video, smash that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. I got tons of new content coming, more unboxings, more tutorials. You guys already know. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.